This Red Sea is not just water, it is a waterway where the world's economy breathes and wars begin. If you control this sea, you control the future of the world. Located between Africa and the Middle East, a long, narrow waterway, the Red Sea, the Suez Canal to the north, the Bab al-Mandeb Strait to the south. Between these two gateways lies the heartbeat of world trade. This one sea carries about 15% of world trade. From Europe to Asia, food, fuel, medicine, industrial goods, everything flows through this route. If this route is closed, the entire world economy grinds to a halt. Thousands of years ago, Egyptians, Romans, Arab merchants built empires on this sea. The sea that was once a trade route, today has become a battlefield of power. The most dangerous point in the Red Sea, the Bab al-Mandeb Strait. 1 million barrels of oil pass through this passage, just 30 kilometers wide, every day. If this one place is closed, the world energy market begins to tremble. From 2023 onwards, the Red Sea is back in the headlines. Drone attacks, missiles targeting ships. The world's shipping companies are forced to stop navigating this route. The United States, China, France, Saudi Arabia, everyone is here. Because the Red Sea is not just a waterway, it's a chessboard of power. When the Red Sea becomes unstable, oil prices rise, food supplies are delayed, global markets are disrupted. A wave in the ocean shakes the entire world economy. But beneath this battlefield is a wondrous mystery. The corals of the Red Sea are some of the most heat-tolerant corals in the world. Where the sea dies, here life thrives. Experts say the future war will not only be fought on land, it will be fought by sea. And the center of that war could be the Red Sea. Because this one ocean connects 3 continents, drives the global economy, and determines who will rule the world in the future. If you want to know the secret stories of world politics, then subscribe.